Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about another DEPIN project that comes under the AI category and has received quite good funding from the market. I have provided a complete step-by-step guide on how to participate in it. So watch the video as soon as possible, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. The name of this project is ChainOpera. ChainOpera is a Layer 1 blockchain and it is building decentralized AI. ChainOpera has raised funding of $15 million from top investors. The testnet phase is live, where we can earn ChainOpera points by completing social tasks. You need to visit this page, click on Connect, confirm the MetaMask wallet, and start earning points and badges. There are already 4 tasks available, and by completing them, you can earn 3,300 points. Join the waitlist. Click on Join, paste your email, select your role from the given options, tick the terms and conditions, and submit. After submitting, come back to the page to get 300 points. Follow on Twitter, click on Follow and authorize your account. If you encounter an API error or don't get points immediately, it might be because many people are trying at the same time. Wait for some time and try again later. Invitation code. You can also earn points by inviting others. Once you get your invitation code, share it, and others can enter it to earn 100 to 300 points. You can also enter my invitation code to get additional points. To fully participate in ChainOpera AI and claim badges, you need to complete all the tasks. Badges are only awarded after completing the Season 2 tasks, which are currently live. I had asked in their Discord about earning badges, and they said you must complete the Season 2 tasks to earn them. That's all you need to do for now. Any latest updates about the project will be shared on my Telegram channel. Friends, if you liked the video, please like it, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.